how to fix your visible service outage on account. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply check your coverage or outages. What you're going to do is simply visit your Visible's official status page, and then from there you can even like use any sort of down detector in order to confirm if there is any sort of ongoing local and network outage, right? So after making sure that there's no such issue, then you can try to toggle on and off your airplane mode. For that, you can scroll down to your control panel, tap on the airplane icon, turn it on for about 10 seconds, tap on it again, and then turn it off and see if that helped. If that did not help, then try to restart your phone. You can click on your volume up button, volume down button, keep pressing on your power button until you see Apple logo. You can release the button, and like that you'll be able to restart your phone. Then from there, if that did not work, then you can try to re-download your eSIM if you're using your eSIM on your profile. And then if you are using a physical SIM, then take out that physical SIM and reinsert it back, and then see if that worked or not. And lastly, try to reset your network settings. Again, go back to the settings of your phone. Then from the settings of your phone, if you scroll down a bit, tap on general, scroll all the way down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Here you'll be able to see reset network settings, tap on that one, add in the passcode of your phone, and then finally tap on reset network settings, and like that you'll be able to reset all of your network settings on your phone. And I'm pretty sure that that will work, but if not, then you can try to talk to the customer service of Visible. I'm pretty sure that they will be able to help you out.